has been planted.
Anyone hear that? No, it's like a beeping. Shh, there, listen. It's faster now.
I'm a firing my laser!
Cue sandwich violence.
Chicken.
We'd like to take a moment to announce that all our food keeps blowing up. What is going on? Rush me! Rush me! Rush me! It's too real! It's too real. Arby's is really starting to second guess this partner. Arby's is now the official sandwich sponsor of E-League. That was the official sandwich of E-League. Like that one in back kind of peeking out of...
Bourbon sauce. And brown sugar bacon. And Angus steak. And a top bun. This shit look nasty as fuck! Arby's, we have the beef.